Wednesday the 13th of June. George just popped out on lockdown 2018. Yeah, he's not been out for a while today. Yeah, because today is the day, but George is out.